In today's video, I'm going to show you Ghosty versus WezTerm. Which terminal emulator is better in 2025? In 2025, choosing between Ghosty and WezTerm depends heavily on what you prioritize in a terminal emulator, because both have evolved to meet different needs. Ghosty is known for its minimalist, web-based interface that emphasizes remote access and lightweight usage. It's ideal if you frequently connect to servers from multiple devices or want a fast, portable terminal experience without installing heavy software locally. Its integration with cloud workflows and zero config SSH access makes it appealing for developers who work across machines or need quick terminal sessions on the go. WezTerm, on the other hand, has cemented itself as a feature-rich, GPU-accelerated terminal with deep customization options. It supports advanced features like ligatures, multiplexing, and seamless integration with tmux, making it a favorite for users who need high performance, persistent local sessions. WezTerm also offers extensive scripting capabilities and multi-pane layouts, which are unmatched in Ghosty. Its support for GPU rendering ensures smooth scrolling and reduced latency, especially when handling long logs or multiple tabs. In short, if your workflow is remote first and you value portability and simplicity, Ghosty may be the better choice. If you prioritize performance, advanced customization, and local power user features, WezTerm stands out. Many professionals in 2025 actually combine both: Ghosty for quick remote access and WezTerm for intensive local development work. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.